Hi, this is Simon from HomeKit News, and today we're looking at the Yeelight Light Strip Plus, a budget light strip that can be extended by up to 10 meters. But what's it got to do with HomeKit, you say? Well, keep watching and we'll find out. So here's the box for the light strip, and on the front you only see the Google Assistant logo, although in actual fact it does work with other systems, including Amazon Alexa and If This Then That. It'll also work with Siri shortcuts right now, but HomeKit support is reportedly coming later this year. Inside the box you get a small customer service card along with an instruction manual in English. Then just below that, the light strip itself, which is already connected to the physical controller button which you can turn the light strip on and off with. In addition to that, you get the power supply itself and the clip-on adapter suitable for your region. Setting up the light strip is really straightforward, but first of all make sure you've got all your parts to hand, then place the plug adapter into the power supply, which will click when you lock it into place. Then simply connect the plug part of the barrel connector to the socket part of the connector, which is itself connected to the controller, and then you plug the power supply into a power socket and the light should then come on. If you've bought an extension, which can be bought separately in 1 meter lengths, you can even extend the light strip to a total of 10 meters, which you couldn't do with the previous version of this light strip. Connecting the extension to the main strip is just a case of lining up the ends, with one end revealing pins and the other showing corresponding holes. You connect the extension to the main strip, then lock them together with a special clear plastic case which holds the two halves securely. It's probably best to unplug the main strip from the power when you do this, but once they're connected, power up the strip and then both parts should light up with unified colour and brightness. Onto the simple on-off controller, and this can be mounted to any surface with the supplied sticker. So the basic specs for the Yeelight Light Strip Plus are that the base strip comes as a 2 meter standard length with 1 meter extensions available. It's 16 million colours as standard. It can work anywhere in the world with a rated power of 100 to 240 volts, and the light strip currently works with Amazon, Google, If This Then That and Siri shortcuts, with HomeKit support coming later this year. On to adding the light strip to your home, and I'm going to show you how to install the light strip via the Mi Home app. So on the home page of the Mi Home app, just click on the plus sign in the corner, go to the light section and select the light strip. Simply follow the on-screen instructions, which involves pairing the device using the physical controller that came with the light strip. Then add your Wi-Fi details to get the device connected to your home network, and from there it all begins the pairing process. Once the light strip is connected, you then choose the room that the light strip will be located in and then rename the device as needed. It'll then appear on the home screen of the Mi Home app. Clicking on the light strip tile takes you to the light strip control panel, which allows you to turn the light strip on or off. To control the colour of the light strip, you slide your finger left or right across the screen, and to adjust the brightness you slide your finger up and down. At the bottom of the screen there are 4 icons, the first of which is the on-off button, with the colour icon being next. The third icon at the bottom of the screen is labelled Flow, which allows the light strip to transition between 4 colours of your choosing. You can of course adjust the speed of these transitions. If you slide these icons right to left, you then get access to 2 more icons labelled Favourites and Snap. Favourites simply gives you access to presets as well as your own personal favourites, and Snap allows you to sample any colour you want via the phone's built-in camera. Let's look at the pros and cons of this light strip. So it's really easy to install or even uninstall via the Mi Home or Yeelight apps. It currently works with Siri shortcuts. HomeKit support is supposedly due for later this year. It already works with other smart home systems, and unlike its predecessor, it can be extended by up to 10 meters. Now the only negative is that there's absolutely no info on the lumen count of this light strip, which is a little bit poor show really from Yeelight, but it's still bright enough nonetheless. That's just our overview for now, but feel free to check out the full review of this product on our website. Bye for now.